There's nothing like coming back home after months of traveling, sleeping in different places, dealing with budget accommodations, and let's be honest, some truly terrible beds makes you appreciate the comfort of home so much more. That's why I was so excited to be gifted this pillow from Sleep and Glow. It feels like a dream after all those nights of questionable sleep. This is the Omnia pillow, which fights against sleep wrinkles and morning puffiness. If you're looking to upgrade your sleep too, they gave me a discount code for my subscribers. Use EstelSogo10 to get 15 euros off pillows and duvets, and 10% off everything else in the store. Thank you Sleep and Glow for taking care of my sleep. I love being in the coziness of home, but I realized that our most used space, the living room, was feeling a little bit untidy. Today I want to turn this space into a cozy little nook, perfect for reading, listening to music, or just relax. To do that, I have a few DIY projects in mind. First things first, cleaning. I will wash all the sofa covers and fluff up the pillows that have lost their shape over time. Just a little bit of extra feeling can make such a difference.
Oh, my sweet baby. And I think to myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I will always be by your side. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better.
We don't have a dryer, so while I'll wait for the covers to dry, I'll put this blanket so we can use the sofa. One of my favorite things to do at home is to curl into the sofa and get my hands on a small project I can do with my hands. This could be crocheting, sewing a patchwork piece, but today I wanted to try something different. I bought this small cross-stitch pattern, which is great because it already shows you the drawing and the color. So you just have to make the stitch. Very comfy for those days when you don't have the head for following patterns. I plan to use this as wall decor. One of the main problems in this space is the clutter of small things, remotes, notebooks, my current reads, even my collection of travel patches. I've been collecting them for 10 years, and now I have enough of them to do something with them, but I have no idea what. Let me know if you have any idea. Anyway, things are always either lying around or just out of reach. So I thought of sewing some sofa pockets to keep everything organized and within arm's reach. For this, I chose some sturdy fabric leftovers I had and cut 2 large rectangles. I had just enough fabric to make a small size sofa pocket.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark? From so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night? And what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights.
I laid the 2 fabrics facing each other and saw the edges.
It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder.
Then I turned it inside out, pulled a little bit the edges and gave it a good ironing to make sure it's all straight and neat.
Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes, until winter comes?
With this large piece, we are ready to sew the pockets. First I tried what color combination was better, and after deciding, I went to the sewing machine. Here I faced some difficulties, because the fabric is too thick to sew with my machine, and after trying out different needles and breaking a lot of them, I decided to just finish by hand, which at the end it was the best option, because it gives it a better look. So here's the finished piece. I think it looks quite good and it's a very easy and practical sewing project.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark?
All this sewing and tidying up is making me hungry, so let's take a quick break to cook something I've been craving since coming back from Thailand: khao soi. It was one of our favorite dishes from our travels, so before leaving Thailand we bought this spice in a market. I can't wait to try it.
Was it all just a dream, just all in my head? Floating rivers upstream, the things that you said. Tell me and be honest, tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter's snow? Tell me and be honest, tell me, should I've known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move on, to let go. They say time is a healer, just you wait and see. The problem is for me, I need an eternity. So tell me and be honest, tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter snow? Tell me and be honest, tell me, should I've known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move on, letting go. Letting go.
Lighting makes such a difference in how cozy a space feels, and the ceiling lights don't make the cut for that. We didn't have any light in this corner, so we bought a much needed floor lamp. It's very important to have enough light when you make your crafts and read on the sofa, otherwise the lack of light might wear out your eyesight. We wanted to also upgrade this clipboard table. We made it a long ago as a provisional solution, and it's time to cut a real wood table. Next up, it's time to add a few personal touches to the space. I almost finished the cross-stitch windmill, and I'm finally putting up this beautiful print we bought in Thailand. Since this print is white and will go against a white wall, I wanted to give it a little color framing. For this, I cut a piece of cardboard into a frame shape and cover it with this beautiful gingham fabric. To keep everything together, Eneko made a frame with the 3D printing. It's great that he knows how to do this. Imagine framing everything to the exact measures you want. It's a fantasy. And not only frames, he can do tons of things, like these gorgeous curtain holders or this board to block granny squares.
I know that you are having a hard time right now. That everything seems to crumble around you. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best for you. I know that you are having trouble believing right now that everything is gonna be alright. I know that you.
To complete this little makeover, I'm reorganizing the cabinet and finally setting up our new vinyl player. It's something Eneko wanted for years, and we finally indulged in this dream. Music just sounds better on vinyl, and it's going to make this nook even more special.
I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best for you.
Let's see the final look. At the end of the day, our home isn't perfect, but it's ours. And that itself, it's something to be grateful for. Not everyone has the privilege of a safe, warm space to take refuge from the cold. And while I love decorating and making things beautiful, I also want to remember how lucky I am to have this little imperfect home that feels like a hug.
I know that you are having a hard time right now. everything seems to crumble.
I hope this video inspires you and thank you for spending this cozy day with me. See you in the next one. Adeu!